In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your CJ Dropshipping account to your eBay account. This process will help you seamlessly sync your orders from eBay to CJ Dropshipping, allowing CJ to handle the shipping of products directly to your customers. You'll also be able to track and update order statuses on eBay with ease, ensuring a smooth experience for both you and your buyers. Let's dive right in. First, you need to log into your CJ Dropshipping account. Once you're in, head over to the My CJ section. You'll find it in the top navigation bar. This area is your main hub and will be where most of your integrations and order management tasks are conducted. Now look for the authorization option on the left sidebar. Click on that and you'll see a list of platforms available for integration. Among these, spot eBay and click the Add Store button next to it. This step involves authorizing CJ Dropshipping to access your eBay account. You'll be redirected to eBay's login page. Make sure to enter your eBay credentials correctly and any additional prompts such as security questions or verification codes. Once done, you'll be asked to grant CJ Dropshipping the necessary permissions. Accepting this will allow CJ to sync your eBay orders and manage them directly. Don't worry, this doesn't compromise your privacy. It merely facilitates seamless operation between the two platforms. Now that you've authorized the connection, let's focus on syncing your orders. Head back to My CJ and select Authorize. Here, you'll now see your eBay store listed. Click the Sync Orders button located beside your store name. The synchronization process may take a few minutes depending on the volume of orders you have. Once your orders are in sync, they'll start appearing in your CJ dashboard. With your orders synced, it's time to set up the shipping. CJ Dropshipping will now be your fulfillment partner. They handle everything from warehousing to packaging and shipping, which saves you a lot of hassle. Make sure your product listings on eBay align with CJ's inventory to avoid any stock issues. Finally, you want to track the shipping progress and update this on eBay. CJ Dropshipping simplifies this by allowing real-time tracking. Check the Orders section in your CJ dashboard for updates on shipping and delivery. You can then update the order status manually on eBay, ensuring your customers are kept in the loop. Maintaining clear communication with your buyers will lead to increased satisfaction and positive reviews. And there you have it. You've successfully